razor. Cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Life's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go. Higher than the highest skyscraper. No little league we major. The proof is in the paper. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the good in the good in the good
Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today I'm assigned to operate the heavy duty breaker excavator, Hyundai R480LC-9S, equipped with a big breaker hammer, I call it. And right now I pause my work for a while because I want to drink some coffee. Yeah. And right now we continue to hit some rocks, and actually this is the what we call the foot of the rock. It is just like a rock stump, S-T-U-M-P, right? Now we are going to hit and break this one into medium pieces so that the small breaker that I operate will have plenty of work. The breaker operator today is absent because he had some business to do, some stuff to do, and let's go. Right now we had some rock stumps. So I just put my camera like this today, in a straight position, because if I put it horizontally, my handphone my camera handphone will fall down, and it can cause damage to my cell phone actually. Sorry for the word actually, I shouldn't add some actually in my English. My English is quite bad now, but I try to speak it again so that I can converse with many people. Alright. Right now we break another border. Wait a second. I feel that my breaker is floating. I shouldn't make it float, because it can cause damage to the pistons. Yeah, this one is perfect. Because the stump is very hard, I need to break it into medium pieces, and not really fine. I don't want to you know, I don't want to make myself too preoccupied with those what we call rock finding jobs, because I'm the one will do it. I'm the one who will refine the rocks by using smaller breaker excavator. Actually, next month, actually, I will be my plan is to resign from this company, but my boss won't let me to, because I've been working in this company for 2 years, and I need to. And then they said that my performance is good, but you know, I don't want to talk about it much, because you know it can affect my performance in my job site. And let's go. I will try a little bit high. This is a high climb actually, and this is the first time I make my video inside this big breaker excavator ever since I work here. And this is my first video using the big breaker excavator. Someone else may be filming operating this breaker excavator, but I just film it from outdoors, outside. But today I film it from inside, from the operator cabin, because I So it's not really medium actually. It's small, a bit small. I don't want to break it into small pieces first, or into tiny pieces. Are really shaky right now because of the place. It's a bit sloppy. Oh, it's hard for me to pull it actually. It's hard for me to put the chisel in actually. I just want to dig them first. I need to dig them out first. Right, I just dig them out first. I need to dig them out because I need to make it into a bit small, not really small, but a medium pieces. So that I can have my own job tomorrow or any time. Right. And later I will ask my friend to refill the hydraulic to my breaker excavator, to the smaller one, so that I can bring my excavator breaker work tomorrow. I cannot film with my small breaker excavator because it doesn't have any air conditioner. There is only an open air and all breaker excavator. Oh god. Sometimes if you operate big things like this, you're quite scared because of the size of this thing. But actually it's fun for you to operate this big breaker excavator. Because you can how to say because you can hack those big things into medium pieces, and you can hit those boulder stump. Actually, I tell you, the boulder stump was formed due to imbalance blasting plan, where the drills didn't reach the maximum depth for blasting, and the blasting is inefficient, and it leaves you with this boulder stump. Joseph. Alright, we rest for a while because I don't want the chisel to be overheated. I don't want that chisel to overheat, and then if I force it too much, it can damage the chisel. Oh, I guess I need to stop the video right now, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the sharing that I do.
Kaki kalau ketok-ketok, freeze kejap tangan tu. Freeze kejap, freeze kejap. Tengok ada freeze. Dia tarik nafas bang, lepas tu dia kamu ketok lagi balik. Bukan cakap suruh kamu parking kasih rehat, bukan. Ketok punya jam mau ada berhenti. Tangan tu mau lepas bang, lepas dia.
Alright, that is some instruction from my supervisor because I'm forcing it too much. But the actual operator also let's force this breaker more than me, more than what I did. That's the difference actually. But you know, I need to be careful. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy what I share, and I will see you next time in another video that I post. Not only my working videos, but also my music videos. Alright, bye bye, have a nice day.